This is the story of Lucy Gray, a small and innocent village girl. She lives near a wide moor, quiet and alone. She has no friends, but her gentle nature makes her special and loved. One afternoon, Lucy's father asks her to go to the town. A storm is coming, so he gives her a lantern to guide her mother safely home. Lucy smiles and gladly agrees. The storm comes sooner than expected. Snow falls heavily and the wind grows strong. Lucy walks on, but soon she loses her way. She climbs the hills, but never reaches the town. That night, Lucy's parents search everywhere. They call her name again and again, but hear no reply. Cold, tired, and afraid, they keep searching until morning breaks. At dawn, they see Lucy's footprints in the snow. They follow them to a wooden bridge. The footprints stop in the middle and go no further. Some believe Lucy is gone forever. Others believe her spirit still walks the moor, singing softly in the wind.